ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ। ਵਡਹੰਸ ਮਹੱਲਾ ਪੰਜਵਾਂ। ਅੰਤਰ ਜਾਮੀ ਸੋ ਪ੍ਰਭ ਪੂਰਾ, ਦਾਨ ਦੇ ਸਾਧੂ ਕੀ ਤੂਰਾ। ਕਰ ਕਿਰਪਾ ਪ੍ਰਭ ਦੀਨ ਦਿਆਲਾ, ਤੇਰੀ ਓਟ ਪੂਰਨ ਗੋਪਾਲਾ। ਰਹਾਉ। ਜਲ ਥਲ ਮਹਿਲ ਰਹਾ ਭਰਪੂਰੇ, ਨਿਕਟ ਵਸੇ ਨਾਹੀ ਪ੍ਰਭ ਦੂਰੇ। ਜਿਸਨੂੰ ਨਦਰ ਕਰੇ ਸੋ ਧਿਆਏ, ਆਠ ਪਹਿਰ ਹਰ ਕੇ ਗੁਣ ਗਾਏ। ਜਿਉ ਜੰਤ ਸਗਲੇ ਪ੍ਰਤਪਾਰੇ, ਸਰਣ ਪਇਓ ਨਾਨਕ ਹਰ ਦੁਆਰੇ। In this Shabad, Tan Shri Guru Arjan Dev Ji Maharaj gives insight about nature of the One and his offerings. So, what is perfection? Antarjami so Prabhupura. What it means by perfection? Perfection is a state where no ills, evil, shortcoming or impurity resides, and any entity having such state is bound to be called perfect. Well, there is no such entity but God Himself. Just a one humble request that please don't call or consider the God as an entity, because he is Sabhang. He is self-existent, whereas an entity is not self-sustainable. Thus, Guruji calls him perfect, Antarjami, so Prabh Pura. He knows everything what resides in heart of an individual. He bestows many gifts, and one of his gifts is to make an individual dust of the feet of the saints. अंतरजामी सो प्रभु पूरा, दान दे साधु की तूरा. Now, what is the significance of this? Well, such a blessing keeps an individual humble when he becomes the dust of all, the feet of all. This brings humility, and the ego vanquishes from him, which is a key to a self-realization. And that's what even Guruji has said. पहला मरण कबूल, जीवन की छड़ आस, हो सबना की रेण का, तो आओ हमारे पास. फर्स्ट एक्सेप्ट डेथ एंड गिव होप ऑफ लाइफ, बिकम द डस्ट ऑफ द फीट ऑफ ऑल, एंड देन यू मे कम टू मी. फर्दर Guruji says, कर कृपा प्रभ दीन दयाला. What does it means? That without his grace nothing can be achieved, even the most trivial sounding like actions. What we call the breathing, that may sound trivial, but whatever struggle our tissues make, without his grace we cannot inhale. It's a different matter that ignorant thinks otherwise. They don't realize it. They believe they have achieved at it at their own will, and hence they become the victim of their ego. And only he seeks his grace, who has already become dust of everyone's feet. Thus Guruji asks for his grace. Kar Kirpa Prabh Deen Dayala. Who is merciful to the meek, he asks for his protection. There is one question which comes to mind of every seeker. Where does he reside? How far he is? Well, Guruji answer by saying, Jal thal mahal raya par pure, nikat base nahi prabh dure. That is, the one who has created everything is all pervading. He is present in water, land, and sky. Guruji further say, God is near, not far away. He resides very near, in fact, inside the heart of every individual. जिसनु नदर करे सो त्याए, आठ पहर हर के गुण गाए. No matter how much an individual is determined for the meditation, without his grace it's not possible. Only his grace ensures that an individual meditates on his name. Jisnu nadar kare so त्याए, आठ पहर हर के गुण गाए. And such grace ensures that such an individual sings his glorious praises 24 hours a day. Jio jant sagle pratpare. What does it mean? It means that he cherishes and sustains all beings and creatures. The simple reasons which come to mind, that everything is his creation and he is the creator. He is bound to do that. But point to be noted, his affection is not an individual or any particular living entity, but ignorant mind think otherwise. He thinks that since he has created everything, I am talking about an individual, he thinks that he has created everything, so he remain attached forever. But Guruji says that is not true, since the one the formless, is the creator of everything. And that's why Guruji seek the sanctuary of such Lord's door. Jio Jant Sagale Pratapare Sharan Payo Nanak Hardware. In summary, Guruji is asking everyone to seek sanctuary of all merciful God who blesses with his grace, humbleness, meditation of his name and cherishes and sustains all the living beings. वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह।